Good afternoon, welcome to the ICTY Weekly Press Briefing. I'm Magdalena Spalinska, spokesperson to the Registry and Chambers. There is no representative of the Office of the Prosecutor today, so I will present a brief on behalf of Registry and Chambers. The trial in the contempt of the tribunal case of Radislav Krstić has been scheduled to commence on Tuesday, the 28th of May 2013 in courtroom 1, following immediately a pre-trial conference which will start at 2:15. Krstić, former commander of the Drina Corps of the Bosnian Serb Army, was charged on the 27th of March 2013 with contempt of the tribunal for failing to comply or to show good cause why he could not comply with a subpoena in which he was ordered to testify in the case of Radovan Karadžić. At his initial appearance on the 4th of April 2013, Krstić pleaded not guilty to the charge of contempt. Turning now to the ongoing proceedings, in the case of Ratko Mladić, the trial chamber is currently hearing the testimony of a protected witness, RM 314, who is testifying about the events in Srebrenica in July 1995. He is the 90th witness to be called by the prosecution. In the case of Goran Hadžić, a military expert, Rojan Tojnens is currently testifying. He is the 41st witness to be called by the prosecution. And in the case of Radovan Karadžić, the chamber is currently resuming the testimony of Stanislav Galić, former commander of the Sarajevo-Romania Corps of the Republika Srpska Army, who is testifying about the events in Sarajevo. The defense has so far called 131 witnesses in court. Now, the appeals hearing in the case of Vlastimir Đorđević will be held on the 13th of May at 9 o'clock in courtroom 1. Đorđević is a former Serbian police official, was sentenced on 23rd of February 2011 to 27 years of imprisonment for crimes against Kosovo Albanian civilians committed in 1999. Both parties appealed the judgment. Two status conferences have been scheduled for this week and next. A status conference in the appeals case of Vujadin Popović and others will be held tomorrow afternoon at 2:45 in courtroom 3. And the other one will be held in the appeals case of Nikola Šajnović and others this coming Monday at 3:30 in courtroom 3. This concludes our briefing. I'm waiting for any questions from the journalists. If there are no questions, thank you very much, and I'll see you next week.